Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to view your WhatsApp QR code. Do note that I have already installed WhatsApp in my mobile device and updated it to the latest version. In case you have not, do update it and log into your account right now. Now what I want to do is simply view my WhatsApp QR code. Now let's begin. At the very top, right next to the search icon, there are these three dots. Let's click on it. Once you click on it, something like this will open up. Now do note that you can create new groups and broadcast from here. But right now, let's simply go to settings. Once you're in the settings page, right here at the very top, here's your name, your profile picture, and right next to it, the QR code. Let's simply click on it. And right here, this is my WhatsApp QR code. Do note that you can also scan code from here as well, as you can see. Now another thing for your general information is that you can also reset your WhatsApp QR code. At the top right, simply click on this button and something like reset QR code will open. I'm gonna click on this button right here, give my confirmation, and my previous QR code has been reset and a new QR code has been generated. Well guys, that's how you view your WhatsApp QR code. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.